Well, we just got to the top of Pine Creek Pass. Just Scott and I are gonna ride Fog Mountain today. Never been up here in the winter to ride fog, so it's gonna be a new place, new experience. Pretty excited to get out there.
When the skis get in the air, the shocks extend and it's locked. I can't turn.
Uh-oh. What do you want to do?
We can keep going, I'm just not going to ride hard. I can't ride it.
Yeah, you can't do nothing, can you?
I literally can't steer. Sucks.
Yeah. That's the trail.
So we're not even there yet, huh?
No, it gets way better.
So where did all these people come from?
They must have rode the ridge. Where we turned off and hit the road, they just stayed on that ridge. Beat the shit out of everything.
This sucks. The snow's good and I ruined the day.
Yep, dang it.
It steers okay when it's got pressure, but as soon as you like start side hilling or anything, it just locks.
Really?
And it's like nothing.
Oh, it's binding up on itself.
Yep.
Oh. You want to bag it? Or try and keep going?
How far until we get to at least fog?
A couple miles.
Let's at least go see it, but I'm not riding today. I can't.
Well, there's big open, so maybe you can play there.
Okay.
Just gotta get down the ridge, which is mainly just steering.
That's what I can't do. Like all those side hills back there that should have been easy.
Yeah.
I can't.
Oh, that's brutal.
I can't steer it.
I'm feeling pretty good.
Like I'd love to go play in that, but I can't.
Yep. Well, let's go up here. If you don't like it, let's go back.
All right.
More snow than I've ever seen in here.
Really? And I ruined it. Should just.
That's fog there. A big one.
So where do you usually play?
Just this side of it. Or we can drop off and go over there too. Go over the top of it and play it down in there.
That's Hunt's Corral?
Yeah, that bottom. We made it.
This is it, huh?
Yep.
That's quite the hill right there.
So we can go down and we'll go and play back over here.
Okay.
And we're the first ones.
I know.
That's sweet. Yeah. There you go. Run that way.
Yeah, imagine not being able to steer and all you can do is just lean it left and right. Pretty much what I'm doing.
Yeah. There's some awesome holes over there, but I don't know if you might have one.
Yeah, I don't trust anything today.
We'll go back over here.
Wind blown.
There's plenty
Well, I screwed up today. Put the Riot spindles on, don't have the TKI uppers, and I can't even steer my snowmobile. So just Scott gets to play today. Not very happy.
So, feel better now, don't you?
It's so weird that your sled feels so long.